would not have the success in my career today without the Engineering Entrepreneurship Program.
One of the most consistent parts of my job is solving problems, and I think the Engineering Entrepreneurship Program really set me up for success to be able to tackle those problems.
I think the best decision I made at Penn was joining the Engineering Entrepreneurship Program.
The Penn Engineering Entrepreneurship Program is built on the idea that entrepreneurship is not simply about starting companies. It's about identifying opportunities and the entire process of going from opportunities to having impact. The Penn Engineering Entrepreneurship Program itself is an example of a first. This program is 25 years old, and under Professor Tom Castle, it became the first program of its kind, setting a precedent.
The goal of the program is to give the skills, give the knowledge necessary for engineers who are trained to create new technologies, technological breakthroughs, and bring them out into society.
I think experiential learning is one of the greatest things that we've shifted our focus to in education today. It's really about, let's teach you some principles, let's show you how it might apply in other situations, and then allow you to do it yourself. I think it's an important part to really distill the learning is not just by listening to it, by acting.
An advantage that we have, given that our faculty, self-included, have all had careers in the entrepreneurial space. We want students to benefit from what's currently the academic thinking, but we also want to apply it through our filters of having done it. And, what do we wish we had known?
There's a lot of math, physics, et cetera, in their normal engineering curriculum, and they're taught how to solve a problem with the correct answer. And we talk about the importance of asking the right questions, but we also talk about the fact that there may not be a, quote, right answer.
I think back to the program where you're asked to step out of your myopic vision and really think more holistically about what are the elements that could get in your way and that could help boost your success and get you there faster. Really thinking about how you build companies was something that we were exposed to very early in this program.
We've now taught over 5,000 students in the Engineering Entrepreneurship Program. We've actually taken a much more active role in engaging our alumni, our Engineering Entrepreneurship alumni, in the class. And the idea is to take the young alumni that have a few years of experience in their careers and professional development and bring them back to advise the students, serve as mentors or subject matter experts.
I feel like everybody knows Penn has an incredible alumni and mentor network, but I feel like being a part of the entrepreneurship community specifically has opened doors and led me to conversations and ideas that I never would have, I think, initially stumbled upon.
The Widjaja Entrepreneurship Fellows Program is an experiential learning program that combines curricular training as well as experience being mentored by the C-suite of startups, tapping into our rich alumni network.
We select 12 students who are very bright, but also they have leadership qualities and very involved. In the summer, they get internships at high-tech startups. And then in the fall, we have all these founders come in and speak to the class, and they also write case studies based on their experience and share the experience with the other students.
The program has been an extremely eye-opening and empowering experience, eye-opening in that it exposed me to this world of entrepreneurship that you might not otherwise see as an engineering or pre-med student, which is what I am, and empowering in that it made us feel like we are actually capable to enact change in this world as the students that we are.
Penn Engineering, in my mind, has again always been at the forefront of technological innovation, of entrepreneurial innovation. And as we look ahead, we're committed to the next generation of Penn Engineering students to make sure we stay at the forefront of innovation and entrepreneurship.
Our bigger vision and where we're going to go is to ensure that every single Penn graduate coming out will have the real-world skills to become leaders in technology, science, and engineering, and not just those who take an EENT minor. Because eventually what we want to make sure is that every single Penn graduate can have impact and be a leader no matter what ecosystem they go into.
Whenever I talk about my founding story or any foreshadowing of becoming an entrepreneur, I refer directly to the Engineering Entrepreneurship Program.
The Engineering Entrepreneurship Program was the jumping off point for my career in entrepreneurship.
It's made a huge impact on my life and my job.